Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So my angle is a little weird today. Let's start that over. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So my angle is a little weird today, but I'm out touring new homes. This home is actually in Locust Grove, Georgia. So if you guys are interested, definitely check my information down below. I can definitely schedule a tour for you guys. This house is beautiful, and I'm going to be looking at some more floor plans here as well. So again, if interested, let me know. And if you like home tour videos, let me know by giving me a like. The likes and the subscribes really help me. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Again guys, we're out in Locust Grove, Georgia today. Some new construction homes. I'm gonna be showing you guys a tour of this. Be sure to overlook all the stuff. Again, under contract already. Alright, so this one, right when you walk in, super open floor plan. You have a formal dining room with coffered ceilings. And the trim, nice stairway, beautiful open kitchen. This one is a white kitchen, so that's your dream kitchen, sis. Let me get you in this house. Nice modern style fireplace. Lots of windows down here. Love that, super bright. Breakfast area. What is this? Oh, this will be like a nice little like study. It's a smaller room, so it could be a guest room or office, bathroom, and that's the garage. Let's go upstairs. Again, y'all know I love a loft area. Let me know below if you guys like a loft. This is a nice bedroom. I don't know if this is the master. Has a bathroom, nice walk-in closet. This is great space, guys. And there's some other people in the house. Over here, some things. That's what that is. Beautiful bedroom. Another one, has 3. A nice bathroom, love that. Let's go see if we can find the owner's suite. Okay, so this is the washroom. A washer and dryer, the laundry room rather. And the owner's suite. Love the windows. Tray ceilings again. White bathroom, cute. You have double vanities on either side. You got a little bit of space, a little bit of privacy. Shower, water closet. Wow. And the closet, let's see what this is like. That's great space. It's really nice. Love it. All right guys, so we're gonna check this one out just to see if it's the same floor plan or different. Again, under contract. If you're interested, reach out ASAP. A little bit different. All right, so when you first walk in, you have your stairway. Love that. I love the railing. Like I said, guys, it's attention to detail. Like iron railing upgrade, wainscoting upgrade, like all that's really, really nice. All right, so you come in, you have your formal dining. Again, with the coffered ceilings, wainscoting, it's really nice. It opens right up into the living room. Again, guys, overlook all of the construction remnants that are left behind. It's a really nice open space. I like this one. This is a lot bigger of an open concept. Again, the modern looking fireplace, tons of windows, and the kitchen. The kitchen on this one is a little bit bigger. I like that it has the island. You can put some bar stools here. Really nice finishes, guys. I really, really like this. Awesome. So this is the garage. And then back here, have a half bath. That's nice. So if you have company, they don't have to go into your personal space. You guys, this is the washroom. Adorable. I love to have like a full washroom. It's really nice. Where somebody left their saltines in here? That's crazy. Anyway, 2 storage, I'm assuming. Back at the entrance. Coming up. I need to go. This is the life of an agent. I just saw somebody outside looking at this house. I need to go give her my card. All right, so when you come up, you have a nice little landing. Over here, beautiful bedroom. Gotta hurry up so I can go give her my card. Bathroom, standard, nice size bedroom. That's number 2. This is number 3. And over here is the owner's suite. Again, tray ceilings. Really nice space again, guys. And then, ooh, this bathroom is a lot bigger than I expected. Double vanity, tub, overlook that. Everything will be clean. All right, so this one doesn't have a separate water closet for the toilet, but still really great. All right, guys, made it in. So as you can see, we just walked through the front door back there. Had a formal living room in the front, out into the living room, which is really nice and open. Gonna be a really nice modern looking fireplace. And then we have the kitchen. It's a cute little breakfast bar area. I like the cabinets. Of course, this is in the process of being finished, so try to overlook all just the construction stuff. But honestly, you guys, I'm sure these will not last long. All right, nice and open. We have one room here. Super cute. All right, so we got the bedroom. Nice little closet. And this is to the bathroom, but I'm just gonna go in this way. I don't know if they have lights. No lights yet. Oh, but you can see it fine. All right, and then this is the garage. So really nice open floor plan. As we walk back through the front, I wasn't talking, but this is the formal dining room. Nice coffered ceilings and wainscoting around the edges. It's the details that count, guys. Go up the stairs. Love this. This is something I love in a house, which is a loft upstairs. I think this is just great for extra living space, especially if you have kids. This can be more of an informal living space. That's nice. Really spacious. Again, we have a bathroom. Nice. Have a bedroom. This one is really good size. I like that. Cute. And if I'm out of breath, y'all, them stairs, your girl is out of weight. I mean, out of shape. Out of weight. Overweight and out of shape, child. All right, another bedroom. So this makes 3 so far. This is cute. I like these. I'm really big on attention to detail. I see a lot of it in this home. Washer and dryer right by the bedrooms, which is great. Love that. But yeah, just like I was saying, attention to detail. Even just like the thicker baseboards, the doors, things like that. All that matters. This is the owner's suite. Lots of windows. This is amazing as far as size. Let me get good lighting for y'all. This is amazing as far as size. I love that. Ceiling fan and tray ceilings, awesome. Coming into the master, got a double vanity, nice soaking tub, have a shower here, water closet, essential, and then your walk-in closet, which is huge. It's great size, especially if you get like some type of custom shelving and things. We love it. So yeah, that's the house, you guys. This looks really nice. If you guys are interested, hello.
Just like that. And the form downstairs is going to have LED.
Okay, good. Like, I don't want to be on your camera. Okay, we got a nice loft area. This one has been the most spacious I've seen. Bathroom. Struggle. All right, so we have first bedroom, nice size. Again, this is super open. Let me take this off because I can't talk. Okay, like I was saying, super open floor plan here. Second bedroom, third bedroom. Hey girl, look at me. Home tours.